Your camera is off. Can you please turn it on?
Yeah, sure. Yes. Is it visible to you?
No, it's not. Yeah, now it's visible. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
So let's wait for Priyam to join the call, sir.
Okay, yes, sure.
Yeah.
But if you go with Python Airflow, then
Hey, hi, Priyam.
hey, how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. How are you doing?
All good. So this
interview is for the data engineer role at senior, and this will be an exploratory discussion to understand about your recent work and what skills you have. If there is a fitment in terms of skills and the requirement, we will have 1 hour technical detailed discussion with the data engineer, and if that goes well, you will be onboarded.
Yeah.
So if you can help me understand about your recent work and what you have been doing, and then we can take the discussion from there onwards.
So yeah, I have working as a Snowflake data engineer since last 5 years, and where I have hands-on experience in Snowflake and DBT Cloud, Imagine S3, SnowSQL, and building the production grade ELT pipeline, and I work in mainly two domains like banking and financial, where the governance, risk, and compliance and help in healthcare, insurance. So and in my recent project, for large banking US financial client, where I have done the matrix KRI related project. So where we are integrating the data sources and pushing the data into our data lake, Imagine S3, and after that we are ingesting the data into Snowflake and using DBT for transformation, and so that's a brief about my role recently.
You mentioned you have the ETL pipeline on Snowflake, and then you have this DBT or transformation, right?
Yearly pipeline, yeah.
So if you can help me understand the whole end-to-end flow of this, maybe you can use any draw.io and share your screen to showcase that.
Yeah, so so end-to-end pipeline, we are having multiple data.
Maybe you can just open draw.io and share your screen, and it will be easier to understand what we have done.
Okay. Yes, sir. Is it visible to you?
No, not yet.
Okay, just a moment. I guess it should be there.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay. So yeah, I have data sources like suppose I have multiple data sources. These, so and we will integrate data
You
source.
put the predefined boxes in the left side, it will be easier for you.
Yeah, so oh. 1 second. Getting my hand set. Yes, why it is troubling me. I guess my network bandwidth is weak, so it's stucking.
Maybe you can tell. I think it will be not easy for you to grow. Maybe you can just tell like this only then.
We have multiple data sources like transaction data, SaaS platform data, as well as third-party API banking data and social media sentiments and all. So all the data being ingested to our internal data lake called S3. Okay, and so we are using AWS S3 service only. So after that, we are pushing the data with the help of Snowpipe to Snowflake raw layer. Okay, so after that, in that we are using transformation with the help of DBT cloud. So there will be three layer like stage, intermediate, and mart. Okay, so so what we are doing, like we are integrating multiple data sources, like we are having transaction data, there are multiple business process where we are collecting all the data, and we are doing some testing and all, schema enforcement. And after that, in each layer we are doing testing, like all the all the columns, constant, and schema is intact or not. And coming to this transformation layer, so staging, we are doing some standard changes, and column name enforcement, as well as some null value removal, and also this kind of activity we are doing in a stage layer. And after that, we are transforming the data in mart layer with the help of business logic, and we are joining the tables and all. So that kind of activity we are performing here. And in mart layer, we are doing applying the aggregation and all. So there will be we can create the matrix to fetch the data, like on which business process what is the risk. So all the and after that we are having BI team, which is creating the dashboard. Okay, so where we can monitor all those KRI with the help of dashboard, like everything is fine, like whether the heartbeat is missing or not, or whether the alert has sent to where we are there is another application team which is integrating with the application Archer application with API, and we are sending this alert to Archer. Okay, so that's the brief about yeah.
Got it. How good you are in SQL?
Yeah, I'm pretty good in SQL.
Okay. And about Python and Airflow?
Yeah, good. I'm good in Python and Airflow as well.
Got it. So let me see, like, if we schedule a interview for technical discussion, and then we can go deeper into tech detail, and then we can take it forward.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks for your time.
Yeah. Thank you very much. अरे यार यार it was just talking entire screen. You are outside, but I'm sharing and it's talking.
Why you without log? Why you talk now? We find out, right? Without log out, why you talk? Without sign out, without leave the meeting to leave.
They have find out. They have left the meeting.
No, he's still there.
Huh?
He's still there. He's still there. That's right. I see. It's okay. You said only just yeah.
Huh?
Just you said only yeah, and it's okay.
Screen was stuck. I was trying very hard. I was not able to draw the diagrams, which I was very confident in that.
It's okay. No, sometimes happens like this. Do one thing.
I guess he is not satisfied. He has left the meeting in.
Why he said something else, right?
Huh?
He said something next to technical.
Technically
It's like screening round.
It was a screening managerial round.